And getting down as quickly as possible. Whoa! Reverse. You see the engine nacelles pop forward. The reverse. Look at that. Push it back down with all of that thrust. And you see that side door open. You would think with all this technology you'd have a backup camera. But now the crewmaster, of course, the loadmaster, checking out the back. And the loadmaster, if you look closely at the back ramp, that's Senior Airman Ramos waving hello to you. Make sure to say hi and wave back.
I know that, dude.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's demonstration on behalf of the men and women of United States Air Force Air Mobility Command, Joint Base Lewis McChord.